Hey guys, so I am making boxes right now. I've already chopped off all the pieces I need and I glued them together. It's been a couple of days now, so it's all dry. And I am just perfecting them now, rounding out corners and whatnot, and I thought you'd like to see the process. So here we go. So I also figured, instead of jumping to time lapse right away, you'd like to see what I'm actually doing. So I cut these wooden boxes and they are not all the way flush because my chop saw's laser alignment is off. So now I'm using this oscillator to kind of just trim it so it looks a little bit better. Especially because I kind of want these boxes to be able to be like serve as storage, not just a box that it's coming in. So yeah, I use a ruler and I kind of just measure out where it's flush and I mark it. Do the same on the other side. Whoop. Like that, just so I have a reference. And it's about to be loud, so you might want to turn it down. I have these on. I do have a mask on because I read somewhere on the stickers that wood particles can cause cancer. My first instinct was, already had it in your face, but then I have the mask on because, you could get cancer again. I was just being funny. All right, so turn down your volume, but I'm gonna start. Of course, it can only cut through so much and then it hits the machine. So I need to break it off and then I go at it again. And it's quite annoying because if you position it even a little bit weird, it starts going down or up and then it's all crooked. It's quite annoying. And it took some time to really get used to this machine. But here we are. I'm finally used to it, kind of. It's real heavy too. And it gets really hot. But yeah, after this, I'll just do the time lapse again because it's really boring after a while. I just wanted you guys to see the full process of one box. Oh, it's starting to go down. I don't like that. right, and then I look at the edges over here. This one's fine. Some of them are not. Let's see if I have some. But yeah, if they're not, even by the slightest bit, like this, if I see this, I don't know if you can see that. I try to cut that off too because it's annoying. But so after I'm done doing that, because I don't have an automatic sander yet, I just use my hands. I'm gonna get an automatic one of these days when it becomes way too much to do by hand. Yeah, so I take a piece of sandpaper and I kind of just start sanding the sides because it's a little bit, it's not perfectly smooth, and I don't want anyone to hurt themselves on a splinter or anything like that, opening my boxes. So I just sit here and I sand for a while. But I mean, that's basically what I do all day. Well, as of right now. I have multiple boxes to go. And so yeah, I'm just gonna sand the crap out of them. Jumping into a time lapse? Nah. Whew, that was tiring. So I'm finally done with all the, oh snap, please don't tell me that's more boxes. Oh, okay, I did these, I think. Whew, I was about to scare myself. I thought I had more boxes that I didn't do yet, but I think I did them. So yeah, on to the next step. I look like a mess. I am just gonna clean because there's wood particles everywhere. So yeah. All right, I am done and I can hear again. And on to the next part, which is glossing the boxes. So yeah, let's get to that. So glossing is actually the easiest part. And right now I'm using Mod Podge, but I got a specific gloss for wood. And until it comes home, I think I'm gonna do the first layer in this because this kind of glosses over it, but I want it to be like super glossy. Well, you know, like nice. And it changes the colors to a pretty nice color. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can see the difference. And I just try to be careful that I don't get it onto the garage like that. So yeah, just gonna do it for all of these.